The 7 o'clock train rolled by. Beneath the faded silver sky, a man in a coat of yesterday watched the evening drift away. The station clock stood still for years, counting hopes instead of tears, while shadows gathered by the line, waiting for their turning tide. The streetlights flickered into gold, like stories waiting to be told. The night unfolded like a painting